Good morning guys. Itong hawak ko ngayon ay ang SIS Energy Gel, and it's the world's first isotonic energy gel guys. So you don't need to take water after taking this. So ibig sabihin madali siyang i-take in guys. No need to follow up with water. So this comes in a 60 ml packaging nila, and this one is the orange flavor. So nagustuhan ko siya kasi sa mga intense races, hindi mo na kailangang kunin yung water bottle mo just to take some sip right after you take this. Kailangan nyo rin to guys sa mga long rides nyo. For example, nung nagpagudpud kami, I took 3 of this para supplementary sa mga rides namin guys. Kasi alam nyo naman sa pagudpud, sobrang init. So pag wala kang tulad nito, lalo't malayo pa yung mga sunod na kainan, or you're far away from the next store or 7-Eleven, mapapakinabangan mo to guys, trust me. And also sa races nyo guys, this is very invaluable guys talaga. Kailangan nyo to. Dati sabi ko, hindi ko kailangan yan, pero nung nakaka-race na ako kasama yung mga kaibigan kong halos nasa pro level na, nangamote talaga ako. So these things, hindi ito masama basta you take it in moderation guys. So like any other food, medicine, as long as you take it properly at wag mo abusuhin, hindi ka mapapahamak dito guys. Actually it can really help you. So kuha na kayo.